Yeah, bro, girl nice and everything, but me I say you can't trust them.
Maybe that's the reason why you can't get no girl, you know. You criticize too much, man.
That with you know, you know like listen.
So why me would I listen to you? And next year you're 40 and you're still virgin. Me are just 20 and a 6 youth me get. And a me you walk and tell about girl business.
Alright, me that.
Me I tell you say certain things can't reach me. 6 years me and my woman a chat and me never get born. You sure about that? Then of course me sure. My girl I not like them girl ya. My girl loyal.
Alright, so which part your girl then now?
She gonna out you with her friend them.
So when last you hear from her?
Just talk to her about 1 hour ago. She say her phone are dead.
But tell her say you're a clown. You really believe that?
Of course me believe. Me call the phone and they got voicemail for choo.
See it's you're a countryman, you know, you're a fool, man.
Your call has been forwarded
You see?
to an
That now
automated
nothing
voice
fi do
message
that.
system. Your call has been forwarded
You
to
see?
an automated
You see?
voice
Brother, you
message
just
system.
bad mind cause you're 39 and all know you no boss nothing.
So what that say?
Hello. We're kinda busy now. Up on the roadside with this, so you have to hurry up talk. Who this and what you want? Mama active. Inside me there. Me catch a piece of farm. Speed! Yo, me G, when we done we shout about.
Yeah,
So
man.
call about.
Me did tell you, you get bun. Yeah,
True,
man,
man.
you get bun.
True, man.
Yeah, man, you get bun.